Once upon a time, in the kingdom of Arendelle, Queen Elsa was enjoying a peaceful winter day. The snow sparkled like diamonds, and the icy air danced around her. But just as she was about to build a snowman, a strong gust of wind swirled around her. Before she knew it, Elsa was swept off her feet and pulled into a mysterious portal. When Elsa opened her eyes, she found herself in a strange and curious land. The sky was a patchwork of colors, and the trees twisted and curled in all directions. Flowers whispered secrets, and a white rabbit with a pocket watch dashed past her. "Where am I?" Elsa wondered aloud. "Welcome to Wonderland," came a cheerful voice. Elsa turned to see a girl with golden hair and a blue dress. "I'm Alice, and you're not from around here, are you?" Alice asked. Elsa shook her head. "No, I'm Queen Elsa of Arendelle. But how did I get here?" Alice explained that Wonderland was no longer the joyful place it once was. The flowers were frozen, the rivers were covered in ice, and the sky was filled with snow. At the heart of the land stood an ice palace, ruled by a cold and wicked queen, an evil version of Elsa herself. "She calls herself the Snow Queen of Wonderland," Alice said gravely. "She's frozen the seasons, and Wonderland is trapped in endless winter." Elsa's eyes widened. "I have to stop her." Together, Elsa and Alice set off on their journey. Along the way, they met the Cheshire Cat, who grinned from ear to ear. "The Snow Queen knows you're here," he purred. "Be careful, Elsa." At last, they reached the frozen palace. Inside, the Snow Queen sat upon an icy throne, her face cold and unkind. "You are not welcome here," the Snow Queen hissed. "I will not let you keep Wonderland frozen," Elsa declared. The two Elsas faced each other. With a wave of her hand, the Snow Queen summoned icy winds and shards of frost. But Elsa stood strong, using her own powers to block the storm. The ground shook as snow and ice collided. "You are not my true self," Elsa said firmly. "I choose kindness and warmth." With those words, Elsa's magic glowed brighter than ever. A wave of warmth swept through the palace, melting the ice and snow. The Snow Queen's reflection shimmered, and then she vanished like mist in the wind. Wonderland was free. Flowers bloomed, rivers flowed, and the sun shone brightly. Alice cheered, and the creatures of Wonderland danced with joy. "Thank you, Elsa," Alice said with a smile. "You brought back the seasons." Just then, the portal appeared once more. Elsa knew it was time to return home. "Goodbye, Alice," Elsa said warmly. "And remember, true strength comes from kindness." With that, Elsa stepped through the portal and found herself back in Arendelle, the snowflakes gently falling around her.